This video is just a quick video to show you what happened when I added an amplifier, third party, with some speakers to a Chevy Bolt 2017 that it's not suggested you do so. But my engineer figured it all out. And the best result of all is the fact that when you open the door, the sound of the door opening is completely eliminated. My Chime is on the passenger side. I'll close the door and do it one more time. There we go, with no other issues. I had taken my rear seats out, and it has something to do with this amplifier, that we added a Y connector on an RCA.